Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a tea light out of an empty tin. So first you need to get an empty tin of beans or whatever, it could be any size, and I want you to fill it up with cold water. Once it's filled with cold water, I want you to pop it in the freezer. So the reason you put your tin of water in the freezer until it was frozen was because we're going to be hammering holes into this, and if you were to hammer the holes without the iced water in it, it would dent. You don't want it dented, so you'll need hammer, a nail, and any design. I've just went for a love heart. What to do is get your love heart design, and I want you to sellotape it to the tin, just so it stays put and doesn't start moving about when you start hammering your holes in. Need a couple bits of sellotape because it's so cold it's not sticking. So once it's sellotaped on, I just want you to start hammering round your design until it makes a hole through. Once you've hammered all the way around your design, take your piece of paper off and stick it in the sink so the ice melts. So once the ice is melted and it's dry, pop a little tea light into it, and I'll take you into a dark room and show you what it should look like. Again, you could do any design you want. I've put little holes on the side because I'm actually going to hang this up outside. How cool is that?